Hey, what's up everyone? This is Quarter Flips. I'm Dave. This is just a quick check-in to give everyone an update on where I am with the listings and with my recent sales. So I said I was going to not buy anything until I did 500 listings. I have 307 listings done in the last, well, it's like 5 days, I guess. But I had like some family things in between that had to be done, some events I had to go to, help out some friends. There's just things that are keeping me from just working just solid work days of listing. So I'm doing it when I can, and who cares about that? I would like to think that I'd get a lot more done in the same amount of time, since I said I was not going to buy anything until I did 500 listings, but life is what life is. So that's how that is. 200 of the listings were on eBay. The way I did that was, as I was creating the listings, I was putting them in drafts. And then I waited until I had 100 until I just hit go on all of those so I could keep track. So I did this twice. There's one batch, and then here is the second batch. And I'll try to give it time here to go through. You can see everything put up. If you were curious enough to see what all the things were that I put up, you can see that the prices range from really cheap all the way up to some decent prices for some rare, DVDs and VHS. There's a lot of VHS in this. But nothing like, spectacular. And I also did it for Discogs. It's a lot harder. There are no drafts in Discogs. You just put the things up. So ultimately I listed 107 items on Discogs. Yeah. So 193 to go. That's going to be probably get it done through this weekend, and then I'll be able to buy again. But I'm just going to keep listing because I've got a lot of stuff. Like, doing 500 is really going to tear through the fast listers. I mean, I'll still have some CDs and vinyl that I can get through pretty quickly, but I am trying to balance out Discogs listing with eBay listing so that both of them rise. So afterwards, I'll hit a bunch more of that, and then a lot of the other stuff that I have to do, like these country records and comic book collection, a few other things. Even some of the leftover DVDs and VHS that I have, there are things that have to be lotted up. They have to be figured out, and that's going to take a little more time to create those listings. So I'm trying not to include those in the fast listers. Yeah. Let's just get this done with. Here are the sales since the last video I made. Sold some CDs. Jesus Eater, that was on Discogs for $2.99 plus shipping. Depeche Mode, Music for the Masses, that was actually eBay, $3.99. Uniform Choice, Early Demos, $6.99 plus shipping on Discogs. And Son of Sam, pre-release album. This is Davey from AFI singing, I believe. $14.99 plus shipping on that one. Sold a CD from the band Fast Break. This is Fast Cars, Fast Women, $7.99 for that one. Fingerprint discography CD, French hardcore band, I believe. This one went for $14.99 plus shipping. These two CDs sold together, Throwdown, $2.99, and Page 99 Majority Rule Split CD, that went for $3.99. Those two together plus shipping. Got the HHH Complete Discography CD. This one went for $10.99 plus shipping. And then these CDs sold together. These are CDs from the bands Thrones and Ire. Altogether, these 4 CDs went for $45.96 plus shipping. Sold a set of the new version of the Excursion Backstock 7 inches. This one includes the Legant 7 inch instead of the Power of 10 Volume 1. That went for $9.99, shipping included. It'll go media mail, so it'll be cheap. Also able to go media mail, so it'll go cheap. I sold 2 sets of these Excursion Backstock CDs. This went for $13.98 for 2 of each of these. And more vinyl. Another one of those Excursion Records Backstock 7-inch deals. This went for $9.99. And back over on Discogs, we got this Wall of Sound Back to Mono double 12-inch. Look at that. It's got a price tag for $27. This is one of those rare instances where the record is just not worth any more what it once was. $7.99 plus shipping for that one. And Candy Coated Fell for the Gift LP. This one's got a couple of signatures on it from 2010. I'm pretty sure those are band members. That went for $12.99 plus shipping. The Good LP by Gameface on Network Sound, black vinyl. That one went for $14.99 plus shipping. Full of Hell, Roots of Earth Are Consuming My Home. LP on, it's a repress. I think this is the 3rd press of the record. White and clear vinyl that went for $19.99 plus shipping. Sold a couple of books. Combat Abs by Matt Fury. Had this up for $19.99, but I was taking offers. Got a couple of different offers on it. Finally decided to go ahead and sell it for $14 shipping included. Frank Miller's Hard Boiled. First edition, $29.99 shipping included. Sold some more clearance makeup. Elf Concealer, HD Lifting Concealer, Fair. 3 of them, $7.99 plus shipping. And a box of Clairol Natural Instincts for Men. M19 Black, brand new in the box, $8.99 plus shipping. It's been a while since I sold any miniatures because I haven't had as many. This one's been up for a while. It's a Citadel Nightmare Dragon. I don't even need to put the photo of the item up because you can see it here pretty clearly. A lot of times these miniatures are too small to get a good look at, but that guy right there, it's kind of a nightmare. Imagine that. $33.99 plus shipping. And I sold some VHS. The Naked Gun. Well, and the Naked Gun too. It's a 2-pack, $9.99, shipping included. Weekend at Bernie's, $9.99. The Outsiders, $9.99. These two are brand new and sealed. These are used. And DVDs, of course. Nevada, that one went for $6.99. Pocketful of Miracles, $6.99. The Hard Way, $6.99. $7.99 for a new sealed copy of Trading Places. Prince and the Showgirl, $9.99. Jewel in the Crown, the full mini-series, that went for $9.99. After Dark My Sweet, $9.99. Man with the Gun, $9.99. And Rock Discipline, John Petrucci. I think I said that right. That one went for $19.99. Bed of Roses, Pump Up the Volume, double feature, $5.99, shipping included, as it is on all of these. Burt Lancaster, The Kentuckian, $6.99. Stagecoach, $9.99. Generation Kill box set, $9.99. The Long Long Trailer with Lucy and Desi, $14.99. And La Escondida, The Hidden One, still sealed, $21.99 for that one. Little Shop of Horrors, $6.99. Better Luck Tomorrow, $6.99. The Buddy Holly Story, $7.99. A High Wind in Jamaica, $9.99. Charles Bronson in Rider on the Rain, $9.99. 2 Seasons of Saxondale, $12.99. Merce Cunningham Dance Company, Park Avenue Armory Event, $14.99. Out of Season, $14.99. The Lives of Others, not the first copy of that I've sold, $14.99. My Hero Academia Blu-ray, $22.99. And Varen the Unbelievable, $1 monster movie. I had that up for $59.99. I got an offer for $45 and said, yes, let's do it. $45. It's pretty good. It's weird. The more I list, the more I sell. So it could be better, honestly. And it will be. I know. It's the summer. When the fall comes, I'm going to be glad that I have all these thousands of things listed because things are hopefully going to sell a lot faster. All right. That's it. Like I said, quick check-in. Please like and subscribe. And subscriber numbers are going up great. Like 155, 156 when I'm making this video, maybe even higher. It's weird. I said I was going to give away the thermal label printer, and people started subscribing. I don't know if that's the case. It could have been any number of other things, but if people are subscribing because they want to get that thermal label printer, cool. It's already ordered. It's on its way because I can see that number going up pretty fast now. So stay tuned. All right. Thank you. See you next time.